Wonderful.
Outlining the measures to revise tax laws and modernize Nigeria's tax system. That is the table of the President, Commander-in-Chief. The tax reform bills, correctly classified, is one of the most significant and boldest. Your Excellency, Mr. President, when you proposed the 4 tax reform bills, investigation and global benchmarking by the President in 2024, these bills are the Nigerian Tax Bill, the Nigerian Tax Administration Bill. Today's event, Mr. President, like I said earlier, is a culmination of slightly over 8 months. They will transform Nigeria's tax administration, increase revenue. Your track record holds fast. When the debate over the new tax, you ask Nigerians to discuss it and debate it openly, rather than cave, and your firmness as a leader.
In process of nation building, even the block work takes a bender and concrete cement to build the body. Is what you have provided is leadership and courage in the face of mounting dispute. Nowhere in the world that tax reform will be any easy. Some tax bills that you might read in your textbooks might even sound sometimes like reading in English in Japanese. Very difficult, twisted equations, reverse ideologies. At the end of the day, what you must land with is the hope to develop the people and show the right character towards the destination. We are in transit. We have changed the road. We have changed some of the misgivings. We have opened the door for new economy, business opportunity. We are showing that Nigeria is truly, truly ready and open for business. Easy in, easy out. And the question of our tax to GDP and all other formulas will be obsolete. Oh, nothing, no drama.